Do you know someone who is protecting people and showing others how to protect and prevent harm to people in the Black community and our world? Then nominate them for the I Am Protection Award. The I Am Protection Award is given to those who advocate for, promote, and develop positive and constructive systems that protect us, our families, and our communities from harm in all its forms. It is for warriors working to maintain individual, family, and community well-being. The award is given for child abuse prevention, violence prevention, community safety, trauma prevention and resilience, self-defense. If there's a person or organization whose work and commitment to you, your family, your city, or our people should be recognized, nominate them for the I Am Protection Award at higherselfawards.org. Nominate a hero.
Sponsored by I Am Apparel and Products. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at iamproducts.store.